How to unlock new characters in Sonic Rumble. First of all, open the game on your device and tap on the character icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. This is where you can view all the available characters that can be unlocked in the game. Next, check out the different skins. Some characters can be unlocked using rings, others through special event rewards or by leveling up your account. You will also find some exclusive characters available for a limited time during seasonal events or challenges. If you have enough rings or in-game currency, tap on the character you want and select Obtain. After unlocking, the new character will automatically appear in your collection and you can equip it right away for your next race. In addition, you can earn character tokens or fragments by completing missions, daily challenges, or ranking high in multiplayer events. Collect enough of these to unlock more characters without spending currency. Don't forget to keep an eye on the event section for time-limited opportunities under the news section to get rare characters. Participating in these events regularly can help you expand your collection faster. Now you know how to unlock new characters in Sonic Rumble. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.